Hello everyone. I am Dave. I am the host of this program. Thanks for listening to today's podcast. Does your phone's LCD become cracked by falling accidentally? Do you want to get a quick solution from your nearest repair center? Then iTech Xpress is the best option for you. iTech Xpress offers services for all types of LCD devices like LCD TVs, laptops, desktop monitors, smart devices. It is sure you will get outstanding services at competitive prices. Do you want to get same-day quality service? Here experts understand your necessity, so accordingly they take the necessary step. And you will get an estimation before repairing the device. For getting more information about their services, you can make a call at 626-777-4747. Otherwise, you can browse to get detailed information https://etouchexpressinc.com. Goodbye everyone for today. Stay tuned with us.